All right, guys. Yeah, welcome again to TECHPLIXITY. Today, I'm going to make a very brief video, which will be centered on free antivirus software. Many of us use a Windows computer, Mac, and all that, and we need antivirus applications in this day because there are a lot of data theft, identity theft, and then data breaches. People could be monitoring you without you knowing, and there is a need to use a basic level of security for your computer and your gadget electronic devices. With that, to buy antivirus can be very expensive sometimes, and you could pay from 35 to 50 to $100 in a year, depend on the product you are buying. So when you remember, if you remember when Windows 11 was released, one of the great tools that it came with by default was this Microsoft Windows Defender. So Windows 11 came by default with this Microsoft Windows Defender. There are very nice features about this Windows Defender. And if you look at my screen here, you can see some of those great tools, great features that it provides you. There is what? And there is this one here is for antivirus, and then you have account protection, and then there's a firewall against your Wi-Fi and all that, and network. And then you have application and device security. These are some of the features of Microsoft Windows Defender. But you may ask a question, if I have Microsoft Windows Defender, do I still need another antivirus software? The answer is yes. The reason is this. I will always say it, that Windows device is the most weak device, easy to hack device on earth. It doesn't matter Windows 11, Windows 16 or 50, you can easily hack into Microsoft Windows computers. And as such, it is necessary for you to use an added antivirus software on Windows computers. Now, that being said, let's look at some other features about this very great product of Microsoft Windows Defender. And let's scroll down a bit. And here they are. So you have the Defender, of course, like I say, came by default Windows 11. And of course, you can also have this enabled in other devices. It helps you with your VPN protection. Yes, VPN has become very paramount in these days of continuous, persistent cyber breaches every single day. And one good thing about Microsoft Windows Defender is that it helps you, whether you are using your headset or Bluetooth or whatever, you can be confident that you have basic protection from Microsoft Windows Defender. Of course, it protects your firewall and then provides you the firewall services and then protect your Wi-Fi. And then when it comes to phishing attack, when you go to the phishing, yes, the Microsoft Defender is actually quite effective in their protecting you against phishing attack. But like I said, it is not enough because this is Windows. Windows will always be Windows. And as such, I have a very great, well-rated antivirus software for you, and that is called Avira. Here is Avira, and there are very great features. If you look at some of the features of Avira, it is one of the award-winning antivirus softwares. So it detects any form of malware in your system, it scans your system, it improves encryption during your activities in your computer, browsing or sending data or shopping online. Avira is very, very recommended. When we come down, and one thing I'm going to highlight here is that Avira is 100% free. So there is nothing like pop-up, like, hey, upgrade your package, upgrade your tool. There is no such thing. So be rest assured that when using your Avira, there is no interference of subscription has expired or free trial has expired. No, it is not just free trial. You are free to enjoy your device, your software. Now, Avira mainly functions now on Windows devices. So you can see it is here mainly for Windows. Therefore, if we click on this one that says browsers, See, I'm going to talk about this very option, that is the password manager, later, but Avira provides you with added encryption through VPN, and it provides you with an extension that protects any form of tracking, and then it blocks all forms of fishy activities, some fishy websites, some cross-site scripting issues. It helps to prevent such problems. I'm going to talk about this password manager in this in few slides here. So you can look at the functions that Avira provides you. I have not tried this safe shopping, yes, but I can assure you that from the first part of the antivirus protection, password management, performance, VPN, I can assure you that you can rely on Avira. This is effective, 100% guaranteed. But let's look at this password management here. So when I come here for the password management, of course, I already enabled mine. I've actually gone through the process and enabled my own. So you can actually try this on your own side, please, because I think I can have an option to enable mine again. That being said, look at this, the data that can help you to know how effective or how good this Avira is. In 2018, there was this AV test that was done, and then it gives you a kind of rating about Avira. For protection, it ranked among the top. For performance, it ranked the top. And then for usability, it ranked the top as well. So I highly recommend that you give it a try. It is very effective. You can try their website. I'm going to attach the website now on the YouTube, so you can click on it, install it, try it, use it. Like I said, Windows Defender is not sufficient just for your security. That being said, let us now launch Antivirus Software and test it. Let's run it and see how it is. The user experience matters. So I have launched it here, and here it is. All right, so guys, I have installed my own Avira free security software, and now you can actually run a scan on your computer, and it will give you the total overview, the health of your computer, about performance, outdated applications, browser and cookies. It gives you this 100% data, and then you can fix them depending on what you are using the computer for. You can update, you can run whatever you need. However, remember that sometimes when you want to go extra mile to fix some of this problem that this software detects, it may ask you to pay money, right? So I would just say fix the one that is within your budget, right? So now you can see my screen. I have this update data after the scan, 13 different outdated applications, about 99 browser cookies were detected. So, and why is it important to fix these problems? It is important because when you fix them, you can be 100% assured that you are browsing safely at least. And then, of course, you need your VPN most of the time, especially when accessing your internet banking, your tax systems. So try to use good VPNs, and then try to use good antivirus, and of course, free ones like this one is very effective. Depends on your level of commitment and consumption of internet services. All right, that being said, thank you for your time, and that is it for today. I'm going to make another video for free antiviruses for Mac, and I'm going to make another one for our iPhones and the iPads and Android. That being said, thank you for sticking around, and then please continue to subscribe to TECHPLIXITY, and then expect more videos from us. Thank you for your time, and bye.